Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your Microsoft Admin Center. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is to set up your Microsoft like business subscription. So you will be needing to start an organization. And in your case, you will be like the admin for this organization. So you will need just to go to either a business standard, business premium, or Microsoft's apps for business or whatever the business subscription. And basically, you will be needing just to get like your domain and your subscription. So basically, after you get that, you will be needing just to log in to your account using the domain that you got. And from there, you will be able to start like setting up your admin center. So basically, you will be able like to get the feature. So from here, or the first thing that you will start like finding in the admin center is like the home, copilot, users, teams, roles, resources, and billing, etc. So from there, you will be able like to start setting up whatever you'd like on the admin center. So basically, you will be able to start like managing your groups. So you will, if you want just the landing page in the admin, it will be just like kind of a dashboard. You will be able to get to your user directly, so you can start creating your user, your groups, and the organization for your or business, etc. And then you will find also teams in the group where you can start adding your users so you can manage them in teams and management, etc. Also, you can assign Microsoft roles and basically to start giving authorization and stuff like that. And basically, of course, you will have the billing, you will have the support, you will have the settings for like your applications, like the email side, your Microsoft apps, etc. Basically, you will be needing to simply just to go to the dashboard, and from there you will be able to set up everything from the admin center. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.